Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm happy to have you. Please click on the subscribe button below and turn on your notification button so to keep you posted. By the way, this is Amonavi, and in today's video we are going to be making egg stew with rice and fried plantain. Yes, you can never go wrong with fried plantain, so let's get started. So we have our protein into a saucepan. You can use whatever protein you want. You can even use chicken. I'm just going to use some beef. Add some spices to it. I'm going to be adding garlic and ginger, and then some beef spices I got from Ghana. Yeah, and then add some water and then cover it up to steam. Okay, now having brought the beef into cook, we're going to fry it. Yes, fry it until it's that crunchy so we can add it to our stew. Well, after frying that, we're ready for our stew. We have some oil on a saucepan, and then add some onion to it, and then some tomatoes puree, and then stir until that looks like it's getting cooked. And then we have our tomatoes, habanero pepper, a bit of ginger and garlic, all blended together and added to the mixture on fire. Continue stirring to prevent it from burning, and then cover it up and allow it to cook. After some few minutes, you start adding our spices. Here I've got my natural spices. You can use any spices that you use to cook your stew. I used the rest of the beef spice that I used to steam my beef, and then added it to the stew. Now I'm going to add some shrimp cube to my stew as well to add some taste. Keep stirring. Then now I'll also add some shrimp powder to my stew, and then stir and cover it up until it is time to add my fish. Yes, I added some tuna as well, smoked tuna, and then added the broth from the steamed beef to my stew. So next we add our chopped tomatoes into our stew, cover it for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then add our fried beef to it as well, and then cover it for about 1 minute as well for it to mix together with the stew. And then last but not the least, we add our greens to it. That's the lettuce and the green bell pepper to our stew. Cover it up for about 30 seconds, and voila, that's it. Our stew is done. Yumminess. So our next thing to do is to fry our plantain. I like my plantain to be brown, so you can choose to fry it how you want it. And then we start dishing our food, because why not? The wait is over.